Welcome to my pre-algebra class. We're on chapter 14, section 2. We're going to be finding surface area of a prism, and the surface area is the outside space occupied by the prism, and actually we just find the individual areas of the faces and add them together. In a rectangular prism, like number 1, you can see that opposite sides have the same, are identical, so we can find the area of 1 and just put it down twice. So I'll call this first rectangle front face, and that's 10 by 4, so 10 times 4 is 40, so that's 40 meters squared. And the front face and the back face are the same, so I have another 40. And then I have this right face, which is 4 by 3. Length times width is 12. And then the left face is the same. It's also 12. And then I have the bottom and the top rectangles. The bottom face rectangles is 10 by 3. 10 times 3, which is 30. And the top face is also 10 by 3, which is 30. So the total surface area of that rectangular prism, if I add those all up, that's 80. And that's 60, it's 140, plus 24 is 164 meters squared, since it's finding area. The cube, the second example over here, the cube is a special rectangular prism. All the faces are the same, so if I want the surface area, I'd find the area of one face, which is 6 times 6, and times it by how many faces I have there, which are 6 faces. So it's going to be 36 times 6, which is 216 inches squared. So a cube, you always take the area of one face and times it by 6, because there are 6 faces. And then we have triangular prisms. So we find the area of the bases. The bases are always opposite and identical. So your surface area is going to equal triangle 1. And we'll do this triangle first here. Remember, triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. And the base and the height make the right angle, which is right here. So it's 1/2 4. Excuse me, that's the 6 is this height here. It's 1/2 6 times 5, which is 1/2 of 30, which is 15. And triangle 2 has the same area, 15. And then we have, in a triangular prism, we have 3 rectangles. So rectangle 1, I'll just take this one right here, which is 10 long and 4 wide. So that's 4 times 10. Which is 40. I'll take the bottom rectangle, which is 10 by 5. So rectangle 2 is 10 times 5, which is 50. And then the back rectangle back here, it's 10 by 4 also. And then you add up all these sides, all these faces. So we have 30 here, and that's 70, 120, 160, and the unit was meters squared. And that's how we're going to be doing our problems. So you need a piece of paper headed, turn to page 636, and we're doing 1 through 13. Problem number 1, we have number 2. Problem number 2, we have a rectangular prism And we have 7 inches by 9 inches by 14 inches. You don't have to draw the picture, I'm just putting it in. So surface area would equal, write the formula down, front face and the back face, the right face and the left face, and the top face and the bottom face. And remember, every pair is the same. So the front face would be this one right here. So it's 7 inches wide and 14 inches tall. So 7 times 14. And that comes out 98. And we know the second one, the back face, is the same. The right face is 9 inches by 14. So 9 times 14 is 126. And the left face is the same, 126. And then your top and bottom faces are the same. The bottom here is 7 times 9, which would be the same for the top. So 9 times 7 is 63. And then just add those up. So we get 98 times 2 plus 126 times 2 plus 63 times 2. And we get 574 square inches. And that's squared, since they're area, the amount of space contained on the outside. Problem number 4, we have another rectangular prism. And, okay, I guess dashed lines here. It's okay, we'll just use them. So this number 4 is 9 by 12 by 9 centimeters. So again, we'll use the same formula. Surface area equals the front face and the back face. The right face and the left face are the same. And the top face and the bottom face are the same. So the front face is 9 by 12. It's the same as the back. So 9 times 12 is 108 for both. And then the right face is 9 by 12. So that gives us another 108. And the bottom face is 9 by 9. So 81. And we add those up. 108 times, or 4 of those, plus 81 let's clear that, I think I made a mistake. 108 times 4 plus 81 times 2. And that gives us a total of 594. And the unit was centimeters squared. Problem number 6, we have a triangular prism. So it looks, let's get the right line here. So it looks a little bit like this. And we have measurements of, this is 10 yards, this is 10, this is 15, and then we have the height is given in here, and the height is 8, and the base is 12. So in a triangular prism, the surface area, we have triangle 1 and triangle 2 is the same. And then rectangle 1, 2, and 3. So in triangle 1, here we'll use the bottom triangle. the height is 8 and the base is 12, so it's 1/2 8 times 12. And half of that is 48. Half of 96 is 48. So the other triangle is also 48. And then the rectangles. Let's take the front one. Front one is 12 across and 15 long. So 12 times 15 is... So do I have a calculator back here? Okay, 12 times 15 is 180. And the one on the right is 10 by 15. That's 150. And the one on the left is 10 by 15 also. So that's 150. And then adding those up, we have 48 times 2 of those, plus 180, plus 150 times 2. So our answer is 576 square yards. Okay, problem number 8. We have another rectangular prism. And this time, measurements are 0.5 millimeters here, 1 millimeter, and 2 millimeters. So our surface area is front face and back face, right face and left face, top face and bottom face. So our front face is 0.5 times 2. Which gives us 1. The bottom face, the back face is the same 1. The right face is 1 by 2. That gives us 2. And the left face is the same. The bottom face is 0.5 times 1. And the same as the top. So that gives us 0.5 and 0.5. So if we add that up, 1 and 1 are 2, 4, 6, that makes 1, so that gives us 7 millimeters squared. Problem number 10, it says, what is the surface area of a box with a length of 10, a width of 8, and a height of 4.5? So a box is a rectangular prism. So we'll just go ahead and draw a rectangular prism and set it up. This time I do want you to draw the figure. So it says it has a length of 10, a width of 8, and a height of 4.5. I'm going to use 4.5. The width is 8 and the length is 10. So we have surface area will equal front face, back face, right face, left face, top face, and bottom face. Okay, let's start with the front face. This would be here. It's 10 long and 4.5 high. So 10 times 4.5 is 45. The back face is also 45. The right face is 8 times 4.5, so 8 times 4.5. Check your calculator with that if you need to. So 8 times 4.5 is 36. And the left face is the same. And the bottom face and top face are the same, and that's 10 times 8. So that's 80 for both. And then adding that up on your calculator, So we have 45, 2 of those, 36, 2 of those, and 80, which 2 of those is 160. We don't need to. So we get 322 inches squared. Or square inches. And number 12, the length of a box of granola is 5 inches, the width is 2. And the height is 7 3/4. So we're going to use another rectangular prism. So draw a picture of that. To the best of your ability. And label the values. The length of the box is 5 inches. The width is 2. And the height is 7 3/4. If we can use 7.75. As long as the decimals are terminating, go ahead and use the decimals. So we have surface area is front face and back face, right face and left face, top face and bottom face. So the front face is 5 by 7 times 7.5. So 5 times 7.75 equals 38.75. And we know the back face is same. And the right face is 2 times 7.75, so we times that. That's 15.5. And the top face and the bottom face are the same, so that's 5 times 2. So that gives us 10 and 10. So adding those up, we have 20 plus 15.5 times 2 plus 38.75 times 2. And we get a total of 128.5 inches squared. That concludes the evens. Be sure you check the back of the book for the answers to the odds.